Hello everyone, how's going on with you? Welcome to MALIBU College. Today, we're gonna be discovering AI. Let's break it down and take a look at what's behind. Hi, I'm MALIBU, an IT expert bringing you the latest tech updates. Today, we're gonna be discovering AI. What the hell is AI? If you're still Googling what it stands for, you are already behind the tech trend. However, if you already download the application like M365 Copilot, ChatGPT or Gemini, at least you have a good start. Myself, I'm still learning how to make the most of it, and I'm telling you that the AI can be a powerful tool that, if you play smart. But before we go dive into it, let's check out the cutting-edge AI company from China. Even though I have plenty of job experiences from IT field, I still don't understand how to make the most of those applications in business. But once you run it, you'll see how incredible AI development is gonna be like. Plus, today we're gonna be breaking down the latest news on Chinese AI trend and what it means for you. Okay. You know, recently we had a big news with the DeepSeek Shock that refers to the significant impact of the Chinese artificial intelligence company DeepSeek has had on the global tech industry since its emergence in early 2025. For me, for Japanese AI users in general, DeepSeek is merely a Chinese ChatGPT. I thought so. I hope you didn't get me wrong, but I didn't mean DeepSeek is doing something terrible in a global business platform. Because AI made in China sounds to me like they are creating a fake or a counterfeit made in Japan, but this time, no, really. I'm telling you that. On January 27th, it was a DeepSeek Shock Day. A week ago before that day, DeepSeek released its R1 model, a large language model which stands for LLM, comparable in performance to leading products from the US companies like OpenAI and Anthropic. However, amazingly enough, after 1 week passed, the release of R1 model led to a massive sell-off in global technology stocks with major AI-centric companies like NVIDIA, Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft and other major ones losing nearly $750 billion in market value. DeepSeek's success has sparked discussions about the effectiveness of U.S. export controls aimed at limiting China's access to advanced AI technology. The Trump administration attempted to put a huge rate on tariffs on 25%, right? Yeah, with the success of DeepSeek's AI, China no longer has to think too much about the strength of the US AI because DeepSeek creates genius on a global AI landscape, challenging against the established tech giants and promoting re-evaluations of strategies within the domestic industry. I guess no other AI big companies anticipated Chinese DeepSeek. They must have thought the brand awareness of AI should be at least lower than they thought. I guess they have underestimated the Chinese AI industry and they have never thought China would be number one in AI business. By the way, what's good about the DeepSeek's R1 model is the obviously cost-effective development and operation are so splendid. I'll explain how it is. So, the R1 model is designed to operate efficiency on cost. R1 model has gained significant attention for its remarkable cost effectiveness. For example, OpenAI's ChatGPT requires $100 million for training, whereas DeepSeek's R1 model requires only $5.6 million. It's nearly 1/18, folks. That's a huge numeric differences, right? This dramatic reduction in cost is achieved through several innovative strategies as follows. 1. Hardware utilization. 2. Efficient training method. 3. Reinforcement learning focus. 4. Operational cost saving. There are more features which contributing to overall saving, but these are the basic understanding that you should at least keep in mind. As I mentioned earlier, the production cost between OpenAI's ChatGPT 4o and DeepSeek's V3 is tremendously so huge. Let me explain more about V3 here. Okay, V3 is an advanced open source language model developed by DeepSeek. Its innovative architecture and efficient performance. The key is cheaper than ChatGPT, and the quality of it is way too higher than ChatGPT. If you ask to utilize better, which one would you like better? Maybe V3, right? Yeah, the same product with the same quality, but the different prices, which cost 1/18th. What do you think? If you bought the same product for iPhone at 1,000 US dollar, but later you knew it was only worth 100 bucks, how would you feel? What do you feel about the product? Pretty bad, right? Yeah, you must feel like you got ripped off. Donald Trump and Elon Musk confirmed AI will be the core technology of the next generation. Trump suggested, he also suggested, make America great again as a political slogan. AI will be one of the most widely recognized slogans, okay? Of course, they don't want to lose competition against China. Yeah, the US government lost their faith, so they're going to pay back for it at any cost. They are not going to be like, be behind the global AI trend against China. So what the US does is that they never intended to export semiconductor to China. Trump is breaking out the global trade fractions. Yeah, especially advanced semiconductors are so crucial for military technology, AI, and cybersecurity. The US government is so afraid that exporting high-end chips could be the risk of cyber warfare. Do you remember we covered the semiconductor section in my previous video that I uploaded a long time ago? You can just go back and check it out if you want. Semiconductor is material that controls and manages the flow of electric current in electronic equipment and devices. It also has conductivity between conductor and non-conductors, just like silicon will be the most popular material present. Okay, so as you guys are all aware, NVIDIA is a leading technology company known for AI computing and high performance computing solution. I talk more about that in a second session, okay? Hey, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you find my video useful, please don't forget to subscribe for more updates. I really wish you to stay tuned and stay connected to my community. It's all free, and if you put a comment down below, I reply you back ASAP. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.